Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings. So localize this gear icon and tap on it. Let's pretend that you will start with a regular, the general list of the settings. So here what we need to do is to scroll all the way down and localize this three dots icon, which stays for additional settings. So just tap on it. And now we need to tap on the second option, so languages and input. Just tap. Now tap on the first option, which is languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. So all you need to do is to find your language and tap on it. And now wait a second, it will be immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again. Tap on the first option, find the language and tap on it. Now we can go back and we've got, in my case, English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.